Well, today comes another customer. I have these two for sale. It's the 80s Hermes 3000S, the special edition, and I have the Olympia SG3. I'm selling both of these for $250 a piece. I expect her here in about 15 minutes from this video taken, so yeah, I'll go have a look and see which one she picks. These are two really good typewriters. This is a Hermes, first of all. The Hermes are wonderful machines. They are collectible, but they just last such a long time. These are very good machines to use, and of course the Olympia, the Mercedes-Benz of all typewriters. Yeah, we'll see what happens.